timer sa headquarters ng police. Ng police. We're going to the international headquarters of Freeway International. Woo! Pakpak muna kayo dyan. Woo! Hoy, kumain kayo? Taas ang mga Pinoy. Taas, anong itataas mga Pinoy? Taas ang mga kamay ng may mga buhok. Sorry, pinata natin nasa ano. Bawal muna mag-Ilonggo. English please, English. Walang Ilonggo dito. English lang. Tagalog, please.
Please.
Bawal muna. Wala pa tayo sa inyo. Kitain na sa punta. Bakit masin na madula? Sakit sa matang si.
Excuse me. So, we arrive, we will line up in front of the headquarters. The group photo, yun yung gagawin natin. Na para ay pumasok, we're done with the group photo. Okay. So, once again, yeah, the one picture and then you go on your own. Okay. By the way, once again, the battle cry is numbers. Okay?
Yes.
So, ever since, because this kind of industry, network marketing is about numbers. Remember, a target is what? How many lines? Okay, I was talking to Elfrin yesterday and clarifying it to him. 13 doesn't mean tomorrow. 13 doesn't mean next month.